Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hello viewers. Welcome once again to my channel. My name is Muhammad Atiq Anwar and you're watching my channel Muhammad Atiq Anwar and Education for Us All. So welcome to this segment which is called Cooking Made Simple. So as you can see, it's going to be a pasta dish. So this pasta, which for the connoisseurs is pen pasta, has already been boiled, and we're going to use that as the main ingredient. So in addition to that, there is spinach. So this dish is called spicy spinach and pasta. Okay, so spinach over there. We will need some corn flour. We will need some cheese. We've got onions. We've got spring onions, 4 eggs, tomatoes, potatoes. Potatoes again have been boiled so that we get it so that it's easier for us. Spices to suit. So we've got chili powder and paprika there, salt over there, and that's a mixture of dhania powder, garlic powder, so a bit of chili flakes and some turmeric. Okay, so the first thing that we're going to do is to add the ingredients to the pasta. So we're going to add the flour and the onions and the spring onions into there, and the tomato. So as you can see, all the vegetables have gone in, the onions, the tomatoes, and the other spring onion. So we're going to add some flour to that and some baking powder, and then we're going to put in the egg mixture. Okay, so the baking powder and flour are in. Can we give that a good mix, please? Make sure it's thoroughly mixed. As always, forgot one ingredient. Can we have some pepper in there, please, in the mixture? So you can't have pasta without pepper. So we like lots of pepper. And pepper in there as well, please. And the other spices. So it's always better to put the spices in the egg. And you can put them in the mixture as well if you so wish. But we put them in there, and that enhances the taste. Okay, so our egg mix is ready now. So we're going to put that in there and give that a real good mix. Okay viewers, the pasta, the vegetables and the egg mix is in there. We're going to leave that for a good 5-10 minutes, and whilst that is sort of mixing and establishing, we're going to cook the spinach. Okay, so into the wok, sorry, we're going to put the spinach and cook it for around about 6 minutes. Okay, so we're visiting after about 3 minutes, and at this point we add whatever spices we want. We're just going to add salt and pepper in this. And we're going to cook another 3 minutes or so that it's more thoroughly cooked. Okay, so as you can see viewers, the full wok has become a little bit smaller, so we're going to put that into the mixture. So can we put that into the main mixture, please? Okay, so the spinach is in there. Can we give that a good mix? So we're ready for the putting into the baking dish. So we need to grease that or oil that a little bit, and as I say, we like potatoes on it, but you can choose a vegetable of your choice. Okay, so we'll visit when this is full. Okay, so the potato layer is on. Can we have a thin layer of cheese, please, on there? That's enough. Okay, if we give it a thin layer, a little bit more. And that's lovely. And into that we're going to put our mixture ready to go into the oven. There we go. We can spread that out. Make sure the spinach is spread as well. Okay, so the mixture is in there nicely. Can we have a thick layer of cheese on there, please? And then that is going to go into the oven for around about 25 minutes. Really thick layer. Okay, viewers, we're going to put our pasta spinach bake into the oven now. And there is the finished product, viewers. I think it looks very nice. So, as the official taster, I shall give a small taste. Okay, so a little bit of pasta there. Very nice too. Okay. Okay, viewers, I do hope you're going to try this. I do hope you enjoyed watching my video. And please keep watching. Please watch fully. Please tell all your friends about the channel. Until the next time, I say once again, thank you. Look after yourselves. अपना ख्याल रखना, दूसरों का ख्याल रखना, दुआओं में याद रखना. Allah Hafiz.